Welcome the students of class 6. Welcome to our social science geography class. And today in this geography class, we are again back with our chapter number 5, major domains of the earth. And today we are going to discuss the most important part of the domains, hydrosphere, that is the oceans. And it is present in your book page number 34. So students, open your book page number 34 and follow the major oceans of the earth. So there are 5 oceans, you know, that surrounds our earth, and the 71% of the water, the salty the water is most of them present in that oceans, and their water is saline. Okay students, so I am discussing now the oceans one by one, the main part of the hydrosphere. Okay, so oceans water, you know that these oceans water are always moving, and the 3 chief movements of the oceans are the waves, the ocean currents, and the tides. Tides occurred because of the gravity of sun and moon, and on the other cases ocean currents occurred because of the movement of the earth as well as the wind, and you know that waves, it's naturally because of the wind occurs. Okay, now there are 5 major oceans. Number 1, it is the Pacific Ocean. So Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean of the world, and it is almost round shaped. Okay, and in Pacific Ocean, the deepest part of the earth, Mariana Trench, that 10,022 meter depth, it is also situated in Pacific Ocean. And Pacific Ocean surrounded by 4 continents: North America, South America, actually 5 continents: North America, South America, Asia, Oceania. Okay, so this 4 continents surrounded the Pacific Ocean, and there are a lot of tiny islands situated in Pacific Ocean, and lot of volcanoes also situated in the Pacific Ocean. And Pacific Ocean is joined with another ocean through a narrow strait, that is Bering Strait, with and the ocean is Arctic Ocean. Okay, so the number 2 ocean, it is the Atlantic Ocean. So as per the size, the Atlantic Ocean is the second large ocean, and in Atlantic Ocean is surrounded by Europe, Africa, North America, and South America. And the size of the Atlantic Ocean like an S. When Earth was an Pangea, okay, when all the continents they situated together, the first stage of the formation of the Earth, and when that time it was not present, then when the North and South America apart from the Africa and Europe, then the Atlantic Ocean, the S-shaped ocean created. And the coastline of this Atlantic Ocean is indented. Indented means in this way. Okay, so the coastline is indented, and this coastline, this indented coastline is very much useful for the natives of those countries for making natural harbor and ports. Because one thing, listen one thing, that how this indented coastline useful, that suppose there is a harbor was situated, if ships were placed in this inside this natural harbor, then some storm was passing through, the storm passing through the coastline, indented coastline, then what happened? They were not harmed. They were not able to harm the ship, because ship is placed in a safe place where the three sides surrounded with the land. So in this way, indented coastline saved the ships from the storms passing through the coastline. Okay, so that's why lot of harbors and natural harbors and ports created in the indented coastlines of the Atlantic Ocean, in the banks of Atlantic Ocean, such as in British Island and in USA and in South America. Okay, students. Now we're going to discuss another ocean, that is the Indian Ocean. So Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean of the world, and it is the only ocean that was named after a country, and it is our beautiful India. And the only ocean of the world named after a country, and that is the India, and the name is Indian Ocean, the situated south of the India. And Indian Ocean also surrounded by, it is situated on the south of the Asia and African continent, as well as on the west of Oceania continent, and on the south Antarctica was situated. Okay, so this is Indian Ocean. A lot of islands also present in Indian Ocean, including the Andaman Nicobar of India. Okay, next one, it is the Southern Ocean. Okay, it is the Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean. It is also called Antarctic Ocean. It is situated on the most of the areas situated on the South Pole, and it was surrounded the Antarctica continent, the continent situated on the South Pole, and it was in the one side it was separated from Pacific Ocean, on the other side it was separated from the Indian Ocean. Okay, and the most of the water of this ocean in freezing condition in South Pole. Okay, and extreme cold was there in Antarctic Ocean. And the fifth was, it is the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean situated in the North Pole region, surrounded the North Pole, and it was also divided by, it was also separated from the Pacific Ocean through Bering Strait, you know already, and it was surrounded by the coastline of northern coastline of North America and the Eurasian part. Okay, the Eurasia means Europe and Asia continent, the northern portion, and the Siberia, it's called Siberia. So students, these are the 5 major oceans of and the major part of the hydrosphere. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Next class we are going to discuss the another domains of the earth, that is atmosphere. Thank you for watching.